Hi everyone, it is Joanna from Metal Clay World. Just wanted to do a quick video to show you how I attach my post to earrings. What you're going to need, these are stainless steel. Some people use titanium. You can use sterling silver as long as you fire in carbon. These are stainless steel. This is Goldie de la Rosa. So you need your clay, your rolling slats, something to make a hole, a cutter that's a little bit bigger than your pad, bed round, of course, and of course my roller. So here we go. First thing I do, and this is a fine sanding pad, I just sand the back of my pads to rough them up. Some people don't do this. I choose to do this. We are done with that. So we're going to put these aside. Put these aside. Put the Better Bond aside. And I am going to use a little bit of WD-41 Metal Clay World Lube. Very little on my work surface. Very little on my roller. And we are going to, there's only 2 cards thick. You don't really need any more than that. I'm going to take a little bit, and I might add, I mixed this De La Rosa weeks ago, and it's still delightful. Don't need a lot because we're only going to do 2 discs. So I'm just going to roll this out. Could use a little more lube on my roller, but we're gonna roll with it, no pun intended. All right, just gonna take my disc and do one more. All right, I got my 2 discs. I have these. Let's see, what do I want to do here? I'm just going to move these over a little bit. And I am going to, and our needle tool. Put a little hole in the middle of the needle, in the middle of the disc. Now, I've had this Better Bond open since, let's see, today is Monday. I did the live on Thursday, so it has been open without this on it since Friday. So let's see if it's, oh, yeah, okay. Now we know. Okay, so I'm going to put a little dab. Too much. Too much. A little dab. That's better. I am going to take my clay disc. Come on. Slide that down like that. We will also do this one. And I do put a little bit, and I'm not going to on this one because I did overkill. All you do is you just stick it on there. Just let it sit. I am going to put a little Butter Bond. You know what? Maybe I'll just put one more little drop here and not do it on the back side of the disc. Just going to put that right there. I am going to just use the back side of that to push that down. And you can see I definitely used too much, but it will not hurt it. But I am just going to take my paper towel and just clean that up so it'll dry faster for the purposes of this video. See how it doesn't get mushy? I mean, it's not mushy. Put those aside, let them dry. Okay, I popped these into the dehydrator. I would usually let them air dry. I decided to pop them into the dehydrator. It was like 10 minutes, and I think my temperature, I don't usually dry anything higher than like 105. Again, a lot of people do. I just choose not to. So let's just see how stuck they are on here. It's like I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to hold this up real tight to the camera. Like, it's like, just like melted in there. So you can refine these. You can just, meaning you can just sand down your edges to make them kind of flow into your piece. But I'm not going to go through all that. So you can just sand those down so they just bevel out into your piece. Fire them. And I did not, these were, full disclosure, these were an experiment, and it was more about this actual post than it was anything else. This was an experiment. I put that on. Did not refine it, obviously. And there you have it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. See you soon.